The world of product change notifications, also called PCN, still an expensive, complex, and time-consuming procedure today. The increasing volume of information on product changes and discontinuations provided by a number of different sources in different formats is a challenge to deal with every day. The task of managing these PCNs is a full-time job, which raises one major problem. The workload is too heavy to be managed within the little time available to react. Now there is a single automated solution, the pcn.cockpit. The concept is simple. Based on the smartPCN standard of COG Germany and compliant with the VDMA standard, the pcn.cockpit product collects only those PCNs from the pcn.global database that are relevant for your company. This is done automatically and, moreover, without making your part list or list of material available to third parties. So, how does it work? The latest PCNs supplied by the original manufacturers are fed into the pcn.global database on a daily basis to keep it refreshed. Based on your ERP and engineering systems data, the pcn.cockpit knows your in-house part list, BOM, and will check these parts with the central database. The BOM data is all kept safely behind your company firewall. The first step in the process to collate your BOMs to the global PCN database is to download a catalog of part numbers from the database, which are then compared to your in-house part numbers and descriptions. As these numbers tend to vary considerably, the pcn.cockpit has developed an algorithm that detects similarities in a reliable way. This process we call matching. When the database has completed automatically matching the components within the BOM, the component or obsolescence manager is provided with a table displaying those PCNs which best fit your internal part numbers, and in addition, the calculated hit probability. The component or obsolescence manager can then download the respective PCNs into the local database. All your PCN data will now be in one place. No more scrabbling around to find data in various places, overloading you with data and charts stored somewhere or other. Thanks to smartPCN, part numbers, categories, deadlines, or contact information are already available in the local database. As this is carried out automatically, no translation is required with the attendant typos and errors. And please don't worry, if PCN datasets are provided directly from the manufacturer or supplier, pcn.global can easily import them for you. In the second step, the part numbers from a specific PCN are provisionally mapped to the respective part numbers from the lists of material and parts lists. We now carry out the mapping phase, and a hit probability becomes a certainty. A few clicks is all it takes. And now the best bit. The pcn.cockpit identifies each product affected by a PCN, which we call linking. With just one click, the component engineer or obsolescence manager initiates workflows that enable the departments concerned to deal with and record the consequences, no matter whether purchasing, development, production, or sales. Stop wasting your valuable time keeping track of endless lists and tables to document which information was passed to who and when. The pcn.cockpit provides all the information to decide what precisely has to be done to resolve the issue. And of course, this too is entered into the pcn.cockpit, from where it is communicated to the person responsible to implement the decision. The workflow processes also include lifetime buy, start of product modification, adaptation of production, stocking up of parts, or possibly even the modification or discontinuation of your own products. All results are collected and recorded for future use. The use of pcn.cockpit will reduce the time taken and the workload of the components and obsolescence engineers, leaving plenty of time for the really significant and important things. All the rest is done by the pcn.cockpit. All processes are documented so that conventional spreadsheet processing is no longer required. We all know the "which version are we on" conversation and how destabilizing that is. And since the pcn.cockpit is browser-based, all authorized staff members can gain access and insight into all the relevant data without specialist software on the desktop. All this available whether in the department next door or in a branch far, far away. Remember, everything doing the automated heavy lifting is incorporated onto one single locally installed IT system on your network, safely behind your firewall, but available to your staff. PCN.cockpit means PCN consistently digitally processed, reducing mundane human work and saving you time and money. Welcome to the digital future of PCN.